This video shows how VMs achieve external connectivity and how VPC peering can be done. For VM to connect to the external world, it should be part of a subnet which is part of the default VPC, which is the OVN-cluster, and the NAT outgoing should be true. We'll see an example of this. So we have a subnet external. This has a provider vSwitch external, and this is having a CADR block 172.20.10.0.24. We could check the NAT outgoing status of this subnet. So this is false for now. So we can try to ping the external environment from this VM. I have created a VM in this subnet which is called VM external. So I'm just trying to ping 8.8.8. So currently this is not working, but once we change the NAT outgoing to true, this should start to work. So now the ping is working. So what is VPC peering? VPC peering is a way to connect two VMs in two different subnets which are connected via two different VPCs. So we need to add the VPC peering and the static route so that the VMs will be able to reach each other. So I have a VPC peer 1 and VPC peer 2, and I have created subnet 1 under VPC 1 and subnet 2 under VPC 2. So the subnet 1 is in the CADR range of 10.00.24 and the subnet 2 is in the range of 20.00.24. If we check the VPC peer configuration, we can see this is the subnet, and we could also check the VPC peer configuration. So there is a VPC peering. So VPC peering is a one-to-one connectivity, and this is currently supported only on custom VPCs. So it should have a local IP. So we can have a /30 IP, so that we need just two IPs. So one will be having .1 and other will be having .2. So the remote VPC is VPC peer 2, and we have a static route as well. So static route is 20.00.24, which is the CADR range of the subnet 2, and the next hop is 169.254.02. Similarly, we can have a VPC peer 2 configuration, so which is the VPC peering will have a local IP, and the remote VPC is VPC peer 1. And for the static route, we have the CADR 10.00.24, which is the CADR of subnet 1, and the next stop is 169.254.01. Once we have the configuration, I have created a VM called VM1 switch 1 and VM1 vSwitch 2. This is part of 10.00 subnet, and this is part of 20.00 subnet. So this must be able to connect with each other after adding the VPC peering. So I'm just trying to ping, and we should have the default route. Once we have that, we can check this part of 10.00.02. So I'm just trying to ping 20.0.02 from here, and this works. So this works only after VPC peering is configured.